Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services, a small business outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, in Abington. Came across your company because I have some property and family in Akron, Ohio, so I came across your website and I thought I'd shoot you this screencast video, show you how you're doing online and how much traffic you're getting. And if at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christie's Lead Services, please reach out via phone, email, or text, and if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start on your front page with content and keywords and then talk about citations and backlinks. So you guys have some nice call to actions here. It's really easy to get a hold of you if you want, through email, through phone, your social media connections, some nice images. Friendly faces are always good for people to see. Even the way you're saving your images counts as content, so save those as high buyer intent keywords like drain cleaning, Akron, plumbing services, air conditioning repair, with a location behind it. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the first page. Helps make you relatable for the services you want to provide and where you want to provide them. So you want content that flows and makes sense. And then I added in about 10 to 12 highly searched keywords. And those I can find just from a tool that I use. But again, it helps relate you on Google and it helps Google make you appear when people are searching for certain keywords. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did a search for plumbing in Akron, Ohio. I could have done plumbers, Akron, Ohio. I could have done Akron plumbing. There's many different ways that people search for the same thing on Google. And one of the ways to optimize your website is to figure out which way is being searched the most and then appear first for those kinds of search terms. So here we have the map pack. And this is a great place to be because it's high visibility. You want to try to appear in the map pack for as many different search terms as possible. You just go through a small process with Google, and you probably have done it. You're just not on the front page for this word right now. You know, these spots do fluctuate. But if you want to get on the front page, you want to increase the number of citations that you have. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's Yellow Pages. And the more you have, the more Google trusts you, so you'll just bump up higher in the map pack. It's good visibility. It's a click to call on mobile, and there's no reason someone wouldn't click on your website or at least give you a call as long as things look good. So statistically speaking, if you are the top business in the map pack and the top business organically underneath the map pack, which happens to be this company, you get about 70 to 80% of the traffic that comes to this page. And that's a good amount because you figure the other 30% is being shared between the other businesses. So in order to get here organically, you want to have strong backlinks and strong referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. Could be a blog about plumbing and someone mentions your website. That's the backlink, and the blog is the referring domain. So I'm going to show you here. Okay, here you guys are. This is a tool I have called Ahrefs. It goes into each website and explores a little more. This is your trust and your power rankings that go all the way to 100. These are the backlinks you have, and these are your domains. So you want to try to increase the quantity of those and the quality as well. The quality matters. It's like the Nikes over the store brand. The better quality, the more power your website's going to have. So with that, you're being found for these keywords, 2,800, and this traffic. You're generating that much traffic. So I want to show you that competitor, Jeff the plumber. His trust and power, his backlinks, domains, the keywords, excuse me, and the traffic he's generating. He happens to be generating a lot of traffic. And I'm going to show you his keywords, and I'm also going to show you your keywords, and just show you the difference between some buyer intent keywords and how that can, affect your traffic. So these are some of your keywords. Okay, so all this stuff that's in your content, you're going to start ranking for on Google. It's crawling, it's around there, and that's good. This shows the position you're in, but it's not. I should say it's not hurting you at all. You really want to start ranking for high buyer intent keywords, which is a service and an area. Let me show you what I mean here. See if I can find one for you. Okay. So there's none there. Let's see on the second page. And you want to try to be in spots 1 through 3 for those. Okay. So I don't see any. I'm going to go to Jeff the plumber. So this is a high buyer intent keyword, plumbers in Akron, Ohio. Someone who searches that, they're looking for a plumber in Akron, Ohio. 600 searches a month, which is a ton. And it's a KD of 4, which is very low for that search volume. This goes all the way to 100, this difficulty, and the lower it is, it just means it's easier in terms of money and time. And they're in position 2, which is a great place to be. Plumbing, Akron, Ohio, another 600 searches, a little bit higher difficulty KD. They're in spot 3, plumbers, Akron, Ohio. So that's why they're getting a lot of traffic, because they have a lot of high buyer intent keywords, you know, that they're in spots 1, 2, and 3 for. Spot 2 here, Akron plumber, 90 searches a month. I mean, that's so much search volume. You know, 1, 2, 3, 1,800 searches right there. Water, and then you get to some smaller, more niche down searches like water softener installation, Akron, Ohio, 40 searches a month. That's still great. And they're in spot 3. So that's why they're getting a ton of traffic. They're just in the right spots. Canton, Ohio, water softener installation, 50, 0 KD. I'd definitely go after that. They're in spot 6. Gas leak repair. As you can see, you know, all of this search volume that is just not in your content and you're not ranking for it. You know, I mean, I'm not certain it's not your content. It generally isn't if it's not on the first 2 pages and if you're not in a good spot for it. You know, but you know, we don't easily see it. So I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of how you guys are doing online and how some things work. If you're interested in learning anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. I'd love to have a 10-minute conversation with you. I work within budgets and tailor plans specific to each business. You know, we could see if we're a good fit. And if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. No harm, no foul. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.